Kitchen renovation is often one of the most expensive expenses in a home, which is why many put it off until the last minute. Procrastination seems logical. Let it stand for a few more years. It's better than unexpected costs, stress, and construction debris. However, updating the interior doesn't have to be expensive, complicated, and messy. The question arises for most people: can you renovate effectively without overspending? The answer is yes. The key is to approach it with a clear plan. Start by creating a detailed budget and considering all possible additional expenses. At the same time, it's worth thinking about kitchen remodel loans, which can be a convenient solution if you don't have enough funds to execute all your ideas at once. This way, you won't limit yourself when choosing materials and design options. Equally important is planning your time wisely. It will require a little more than with an unlimited budget. But with proper organization, the process will be economical and enjoyable. Let's break down how to do kitchen upgrades on a budget. Step 1. Set your renovation budget. A budget is the foundation of a successful kitchen renovation. Kitchen remodel cost breakdown helps you stay within your budget and focus on what really matters. Start with an amount you are willing to spend without sacrificing other needs. To get your bearings, look at how much a similar renovation costs in your area. In the United States, for example, the average cost of a kitchen remodel is typically between $15,000 and $30,000. Your amount may be less or more. It all depends on your plans and capabilities. So, don't forget to set aside about 10 to 20% for unexpected expenses. This will really help if hidden problems pop up or you suddenly want to upgrade your appliances. And if everything goes smoothly, there's going to be some left over for those nice little things you didn't plan for. Having a clear budget honestly helps you prioritize and keeps you from getting left behind. If you think you'll need some flexibility, it's smart to research reliable financing options in advance. For example, looking into home renovation loans. The main thing is to evaluate the terms carefully and make sure they fit within your resources. This approach not only simplifies the process, but also makes everything more controllable and, predictable. Step 2 is to understand the scope of work and create a clear plan. Figure out what you can tackle yourself. Maybe designing the kitchen, painting the walls, putting up wallpaper, or even laying decorative bricks. The money you save here can go straight into quality furniture and appliances, but honestly, it's better to leave things like electrical work, tiles, and windows to the professionals. And hey, maybe replacing all the wiring and plumbing isn't even necessary. Try dividing the tasks by scale. Think about where major repairs are really needed and where just a few cosmetic changes will do the trick. Don't rush to throw away tiles, plumbing, or even your stove. Sometimes, an imaginative approach to old things can help you save a lot. Repainting the chairs, decorating the kitchen apron by hand, or making a table from pallets can really add a personal touch. Old appliances can look awesome in a retro interior. You might even find a new use for things you thought were unnecessary. Just make sure not to clutter up your space. So, when you're choosing an interior, it's a good idea to go for something that doesn't require large investments. Minimalism, Scandinavian style, or even Bauhaus are all great options. They just don't need a lot of decor, which helps keep things simple and affordable. Vintage and shabby chic work well too because they let you keep old finishes and furniture instead of replacing everything. And before you throw something away, just pause and think. Does it still work? Does it look decent? Or maybe could it be restored? Even equipment that's like 7 to 10 years old can still serve you for a long time. Step 3 is to shop smart for materials and appliances. It's important to focus on quality, but you definitely want to stay practical. So, compare prices at different stores, check out online marketplaces, and keep an eye out for sales or close-out deals. In the United States, a lot of big home improvement retailers have clearance sections where you might find high-quality items at discounted prices. Also, don't overlook secondhand options. Habitat for Humanity. Restores, thrift shops, or even local ads sometimes have fantastic kitchen materials, cabinets, or gently used appliances. If you do decide to buy new, try looking for energy-efficient models. Appliances that are certified by Energy Star, for example, can save you money over time, thanks to lower electricity and water bills. And yeah, don't skip reading reviews and make sure to prioritize durability, because having to replace something after just a few years really isn't cost-effective. Step 4 is to optimize layout and storage. You know, a well-organized layout boosts both efficiency and comfort without driving up expenses. If your kitchen's working triangle, that path between the stove, fridge, and sink, makes sense, there's usually no need to knock down walls or relocate appliances. Instead, focus on improving your current cabinet interiors, maybe adding shelves or racks, and making sure every cooking tool has its own designated spot. Try open shelving for dishware if you're confident you can keep it tidy. This is usually cheaper than adding extra cabinetry. Meanwhile, simple additions like pull-out shelves, spice racks, or door-mounted organizers can maximize existing space. These upgrades don't cost much but can make your kitchen feel brand new. Step 5. Choose the right finishing touches. Paint is a budget renovator's best friend. A fresh coat on cabinets or walls can instantly modernize a room. If your countertops are worn but replacing them isn't in the cards right now, consider resurfacing kits or affordable overlays that mimic the look of stone or quartz. In addition, swapping out old cabinet knobs, faucets, and light fixtures for new, budget-friendly models can drastically elevate your kitchen style. Don't overlook lighting. It can transform a space without a massive price tag. Check if adding under-cabinet LED strips or a brighter ceiling light helps you see better while creating a cozy atmosphere. Finally, finish with small details like a vibrant rug, decorative plants, or a piece of wall art. These touches personalize your space, and you can easily find deals if you shop around. A kitchen renovation on a budget is entirely possible with the right approach. By sticking to a clear plan, prioritizing what's truly important, and creatively reusing or finding materials at bargain prices, you'll have a functional, stylish space without breaking the bank. If you need extra cash, don't be afraid to look outside to finance your kitchen remodel. Ask family for help. Consider no-interest credit cards or even grant programs. Ultimately, every little decision, from choosing energy-efficient appliances to picking the right paint, works together to create a kitchen you'll love for years to come.